Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Honor 90 Lite. To do this, first let's locate all of the speakers on this device, first one being on the bottom right here. Next one is on top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker, and that's all of the speakers on this device. Now, to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. And clearly sound is coming only from a bottom speaker, and the phone call speakers remains silent during the audio playback. So that confirms it. This device doesn't have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.